Listen, we all vlogging this. Okay, we're gonna give y'all an Airbnb tour real quick. We're in Puerto Rico. Tisha. We're in Puerto Rico. Shake that ass. Shake that ass. Shake that ass. Hey! This is so cute. We can come out here and dance, do a little Reba dance. Oh wait, let's see. Cause yeah, we didn't see what's in the bag.
5 to maybe like 8 bedroom house.
Oh yeah, that's the back. Yeah. We gotta go through the front. Y'all, this house is so freaking cute. Like, period. So that is, yep, that's the big garage entry. So freaking cute. Oh yeah, we about to turn up. Oh, what? It's about to be lit. Super. This is so cute. I love this. All right, let's take y'all to the little kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all the bedrooms real quick. We both clumsy. Bathroom here. Hold on, let me see. Bedroom here. This is my room. The birthday pic. Got the king. I got the full body mirror. Don't pay me no minds. I look a mess. This is the bathroom. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, you better. And I'm so mad about this door though.
Oh, then we have to go outside?
Right. I'm still trying to figure out how I can get out here.
People are wild. Somebody broke the damn door.
The previous guest broke the house.
If you act like that on the trip, you a damn shit.
You is a fool. Like, why would you be acting like that? Okay, we're gonna go to the back. I'm gonna show y'all the pool. Super cute. Got the little waterfall. Oh yeah. The picture is about to be popping. Like, what? This is so cute. Beach house. All right, let's take y'all upstairs. The house tour is not over. It's a upstairs. It's a part 2. All right, boo. Yep. All right. So this is upstairs. This is another. I just love all the patios. Like, this is giving me life. This is the other part of the house. Honey, a sofa bed. Another kitchen. It smells good in here. And we got another couple bedrooms.
Let's bring my bedroom here before anybody tries.
You're right. You gotta make your mark. We got first dibs, like on the Bad Girls Club. That's that mirror or bathroom. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is beautiful. And up there, I'm gonna go up. Nice little spot to chill. A little view of the neighborhood. Wait a minute, we got a little bit of view over here. We can see a little bit of the ocean. Hold on. Y'all see it. We see a little bit of the beach. Not you getting drone footage. I'm screaming. Who's in Puerto Rico? Who's in Puerto Rico? Mi casa, su casa. Who's in Puerto Rico, baby? Hey, we in Puerto Rico. It's about to be lit. It's my birthday weekend. Like, they got the drums. We just about to be cutting up, y'all. This house is so gorgeous. Let me just step outside for a second. This home is so beautiful. I'm so glad we went with Airbnb because, oh my God, we just loving it. We got the pool out back. Like, it's about to be lit. Oh yes, welcome to Puerto Rico. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this trip. I'm so excited for my birthday. My birthday is tomorrow, so like the turn up is about to be real. We chilling today, you know what I'm saying, slick back today, but tomorrow the real for real turn up begins, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm in Puerto Rico, baby. The palm trees, like, let me show y'all my outfit though, because let me show y'all what I'm giving. She vibes for me. It's the details for me. It's the little accessories for me. I gotta put on a necklace. I'm gonna put on like a little gold necklace. It's the baby hairs for me. My little MK sandals. She's giving Puerto Rican vacation.
Mine too.
Look at that house.
You look like Colombiana.
It does really do. It's giving Colombiana vibes. We out here in these Puerto Rican streets. Got the crew. We about to find something to eat, catch a little dinner. We gotta get drinks tonight. We gotta get our drinks. We gotta get, y'all know weed is legal in Puerto Rico. There's a dispensary right around here, so we're gonna go to the, what the fuck? I don't like that.
Can you handle it?
You only sipping. Do bigger goals.
Can y'all handle it?
Come on. What the hell?
Tisha not even drinking it no more.
What's
Period. Okay, birthday girl, keep on going.
Gulp it.
Are you tapping out? I think so. Boo.
Who this man? Who this man? Bringing in my birthday night, period. We got the shots on.
Alright, y'all. So we getting ready to make a toast to Tierra for her birthday. So I'm gonna pass out first shot. We just want to toast it up, say we love you. Let's make this a big.
Good morning. I feel amazing. I am 27. It is my birthday and I woke up in Puerto Rico. I'm feeling amazing. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling thankful. I'm feeling just light. I'm feeling so good. Like, real shit, this birthday for me is like, it's so symbolic in my life and in my journey of 27 years, you know, like it's crazy. I'm just thankful. I'm with these amazing, beautiful people, my amazing, beautiful friends, my sisters. Like, I'm just thankful. I have so much love in my life and I just can't complain about nothing. Like, I have amazing love. My beautiful kids, they're so happy and healthy and just can't wait for me to get back home. I just have really amazing people in my life and I'm so thankful for all of them. I feel good. I feel good to just be alive and to have life and to be living, baby. Okay, we could be alive, but sometimes we just go through the motions to where we're not even really living. So to be living is just your senses just awakened and your spirit just moving and grooving, bitch. I feel good. So it's 4/4. The day is about to begin. I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog though. We had a little, that was just the first night, okay? But today baby, it's Easter Sunday, but we're gonna, yeah, it's about to be stuff going on this good old Easter Sunday where Jesus had rose up. We about to celebrate all of that, okay? So today is gonna be the official like lituation, so I'll let y'all catch that in the next vlog. We got a long full day ahead of us. Thank y'all so much for watching and turn it up. Okay, this first night number 1. Stay tuned because we got some more nights to go. Okay, so I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el CP se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere es enloquecer, ser la mujer que él quería ver. Esa chica quiere ser